Okay, what now, Tyler? You're saying because I put that hit you in the butt with your chocolate that your butt it hurts so bad, or your butt is so badly damaged you can't get up? Really?
Because you got the chocolate off me.
And now you can't get up. So you're gonna have to. Are you gonna have to walk around like that for the rest of your life?
No, me too. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I like to meet you. I think you might feel. I think you might feel.
All right. Well, you need to get up there and eat, okay? Finish eating. Oh my goodness, look at you. You're gonna fall over on the chair. Get up there and eat. Oh my goodness, look how weak you are. Oh my goodness. Oh, you did it. You're such an exaggerator.